In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3-grid video on Capcut. Whether you're looking to jazz up your social media posts or just want to experiment with some creative video editing techniques, this project is a great way to showcase multiple clips at once in a unique and visually appealing way. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Capcut app on your device. Once you're in, go ahead and start a new project. This will give us a blank canvas where we can begin assembling our video masterpiece. Now that we're set up, let's move on to adding our video clips. Tap on the overlay option and select the first video clip you want to include in your grid. Once you've imported the clip, you'll need to resize and position it to cover 1/3 of the screen. Think of your screen as divided into 3 equal sections: left, center, and right. You can select where you'd like this first clip to live, whether it be on the left, centered, or over to the right. This positioning is key for creating a balanced look in the final product. Next, we're going to add the second clip. Again, tap on overlay and import your second video clip. Just like before, you'll need to resize and reposition this clip. This time, you'll want to place it in the next available third of your screen. Remember, maintaining equal size and balanced placement for all of these clips is crucial to achieving that clean, grid-like appearance. Finally, let's bring in our third and final clip. Once more, tap overlay and add this last video. You'll position this clip in the remaining screen area. Now with all 3 clips laid out, you should be seeing how your 3-grid look is coming together. With all clips in position, it's time to fine tune. Adjust each clip's size and position as needed to ensure they fit together smoothly without overlapping or leaving gaps. This may take a little adjusting here and there, but the goal is to have them form a seamless 3-part grid that is easy on the eyes. Once you're satisfied with the layout and flow of your video grid, it's time for the finishing touch, exporting the video. Simply navigate to the export option and save your creation. And there you have it, a unique 3-grid video ready to share with the world. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel inspired to create your own dynamic video grids using Capcut. Don't forget to experiment with different clips and layouts to really make it your own. Thanks for watching and happy editing.